Hello there, Amar here, and before I show you how to set up this done-for-you funnel, let me take a minute to show you how it works. So first of all, you promote only one capture page that is compelling and responsive. It works perfectly on cell phones and computers. Harness the power of two recurring commission giants and skyrocket your income. People like recurring commissions and chances that they will subscribe to discover more. Two things will happen in the same time. First, they will be redirected after submitting their email to a bridge page, which is the front end of this funnel that offers you 50% commission, and you can earn up to $224. The second thing is that they will be added to your email list, so you got a subscriber, and a welcome email will send them to the thank you page that is 100% rebrandable and customizable. And here your subscriber will discover the video presentation of GotBackup, LiveGood, and 3 other traffic companies and traffic opportunities that offer also recurring commissions. If you're doing GotBackup only, you can change the second opportunity to something else you are doing, and if you are doing LiveGood, you can change the first opportunity to something else you are doing as well. You have multiple income sources, and you can of course rebrand all the buttons that are on this page. You have LeadsLeap that gives you 50% commissions on top. You have the commission plan for GotBackup, the commission plan for LiveGood, and these guys here offer recurring affiliate commissions. That's not all, because every day they will receive a follow-up email. Your subscribers will receive 10 emails in total, sending them back to your thank you page to see the presentations and discover these opportunities here. People don't take action from the first time, so they need some time. This is why we are sending them 10 follow-up emails, and every time they have the ability to come back here and buy the funnel to duplicate it, and you will have the chance to make 50% commissions. Now let's go ahead and set up the funnel on a LeadsLeap account. The first thing we want to do is actually import the 2 pages to our LeadsLeap account. After that, we need to rebrand and customize the thank you page with all our affiliate links on all the buttons here. And after that, we will create a brand new email list and connect it, of course, to the thank you page. We will then import all the emails and instantly customize them with the link of your thank you page. And finally, we will attach the capture page to the list, and everything will work just fine. So here we are on the LeadsLeap account, and the first thing, as we said, is import the pages. So let's go to the left and click on Page Manager. Create a new page. We will start by the thank you page. Let me just call it TY, for instance, and then I will click Add New. Of course, you can call it whatever you want, and then we want to use this button here to import the design of that thank you page. I'm going to paste the share code right here, click import, and get back to you in a second. I just did that, and as you can see, I have now a new page. If I click on this link here, I have exactly the design of the thank you page that I mentioned previously, and you can of course launch the editor to rebrand all the buttons with your own affiliate links. That's very important to remember. Don't forget, you put here your LeadsLeap affiliate link for 50% commission. You come down here and you put your GotBackup affiliate link right here, and you do the same for all the buttons that are on this page. You can grab your affiliate links for these opportunities down below here and then attach them to the buttons, the blue buttons. And then for this funnel, you want to click on this link here, go to the affiliate page, and then grab your affiliate link and attach it to this button. So you select a button, and then you go to this spot here and you paste your affiliate link, and don't forget to save the changes. Now let's go ahead and import and customize the capture page. We will do the same thing. Let's click on this button to add a new page, and let's call it CP for instance, and then click add now. So here is a new page. Use this button here to import the design, and you paste the share code here and click import now. I just did, and now you can see that I have a new page called CP. You can call it whatever you want. If I click on this link here, here is my new capture page. So later we will attach this form here to the right list. After we create it, of course, we will open the editor and attach the capture page to the list. Now it's time to create a list, and to do that, go to the left and click on List Manager here, and as you can see, I already created one, but all I have to do is click on Add a New List, give it a name, and then click Add Now. You will be brought to this screen here where you can put all the information about your new list. I called it GBK for GotBackup. You don't have to put anything here, and then right here, you need to put your thank you page URL. This is where people will be sent after they click on the verification link that will be sent automatically by LeadsLeap to verify their email address. So what you do is you grab the link of the thank you page that you imported and customized. You go back here and you just paste it right here. You can put here yes or no if you want to use or to receive notifications about people subscribing to your list. Put your information here and then click at the bottom, click by activating this list, I agree to the following, the rules, and then you save and activate your list. Now this list is active and it has a number 69887, and we will need this number actually to attach the capture page to this list. Next, you need to import all the emails. There are 11 of them. One is the thank you email that they will receive once they subscribe, and 10 follow-up emails. You need to click on these two envelopes here and then you click import. So what you need to do is paste the share code that will be provided to you here. Click on replace all existing episodes, and for the welcome email you say yes if available, and then you click import. As soon as you click import, the system will ask you to provide two things. The first thing is your thank you page URL, and the second thing is your first name. So you do it once and all the emails will be rebranded with your own thank you page URL and your first name to sign off the emails. Now the last thing that you need to do in this setup process is to attach this list here to the capture page, and for that you need to go back to the page manager and click on Launch Editor in front of the capture page. You click Launch Editor, you will see your capture page. You can of course go to the bottom, change links at the footer. You can like resize the images or something, but I think it's good like this. But the most important is that you want to attach this capture page to the right list. So go to the left here where it says list, click on it, and then click get list, and then you want to select the right list, in this case this one here. Now very important thing is that you need to grab your affiliate link for this funnel and put it here so that your subscribers will be instantly redirected to the bridge page, which is your affiliate link for this funnel. And to get this link, go back to your thank you page, scroll down to the bottom, and you see here the red button. I say here, click here to get your 50% affiliate link. So when you click on this button here, you will be brought to this page where you can see the funnel, and you can, of course, there will be a button here where you can request your affiliate link. You will be automatically approved, and then you copy that email, that link, that affiliate link, and you come back to the editor and put it right here. Don't forget to save the changes after you do that. So by doing all these steps, your funnel now is rebranded and ready to go, and all you have to do is promote one capture page. So you can use these programs here to generate traffic, and you can also use any other programs that you prefer to generate traffic. Thank you very much for making it so far, and I will see you on the next one.